it's Happy Mail Queen. I have a teeny tiny haul from scrapbook.com, and I got this really cute paper collection from Echo Park that I wanted to share with you guys. So let me just go ahead and share it with you. So this is from Echo Park and it's called Bewitched. It came out last year. And I don't know why I didn't get it last year, because if you guys know me, during the Halloween time, I love witches. I love witch hats, and you know, I mean, aside from the other things that I love about Halloween, but witches are my favorite, especially the pretty witches. And I love this color combo though. Especially the flower clusters that you'll see in this particular pattern paper right here. But anyway, this is a kit that includes 12 by 12. There's actually 12 double-sided papers and a 12 by 12 element sticker sheet. And anyway, that's how it looks like. Unfortunately, there aren't any ephemeras. These are just the kits that they have, or they sell them in individual sheets, and all you get are the stickers. So I did grab another set of stickers. This collection comes with the sticker, but I grabbed another one. So let me go ahead and share with you guys the papers. Isn't this pretty? I mean, look at those witches. They're so beautiful. And I'm not sure, but I think this is based on the sitcom that is called Bewitched. It's a very old one. I used to watch it growing up with Samantha as the star of the show, and she's married to a human. And anyway, it's a fun comedy. And anyway, look how pretty the papers are. And this is the back right here. And then here you have some pumpkins. I love all their little faces. They're so cute. And then here's the back. Pretty, right? Love the pattern. This is a nice background paper here. Love it. And then look at how gorgeous. It's going to be so hard. I wish this came with two of the same you know, design, because oh my gosh, I love both sides. And I don't know, I so want to fussy cut these. I don't know what it is. I just want to fussy cut everything. I just want to fussy cut everything, because I don't have ephemeras, and I hate when I don't have ephemeras. And then look at these cuties, witch hats and boots. And look at those boots. Aren't they fun? And then here's the back. You have this pretty purple, kind of a violet, or not violet. What's the other purple shade? Anyway, look at this. You guys know I love my potions. Look at that cauldron. Love it. And then this is the back. Love that pattern. And then you have the candy. And then the back looks like this. And this is another pretty vintage pattern there. It's a mask pattern. Then you have the kitty cats. These cats look a little spooky. And then the back, of course, the striped. Can never go wrong with the black and white. And then look at this strips that you can cut apart. Aren't they beautiful? I love the candy jars. I probably will be fussy cutting those. And this is just such a pretty plaid. And the back of it looks like that. And you have the owls on a branch. And then look at this, you guys. Now, I don't know if I'll fussy cut these since I do already have my little labels, my potion labels stickers. But these are fun to cut up, and it's a good size, you guys. Here's my hand, so they are great and would fit that apothecary die set from Tim Holtz. I showed you guys that on one of my videos. And then look at how pretty. You got the sun, the stars, not the sun, but the moon and the stars. And then here you have the cut aparts. Oh my goodness. Look how pretty. I love these. Can't wait to cut these apart. I've been kind of getting used to the idea of, like, when I get my paper collection, I'm gonna go ahead and cut these, make some ephemeras. And look how beautiful this pattern is. I just love it. I love how they designed the spider webs. Isn't that cool? It's just such an awesome pattern, and I can't believe this is in the back of it. So, I need another set, I think. Or if I can just find this paper, goodness, I think I'm gonna have to order another one. And I just love the witch. And I really wish they had die cuts. Witch die cuts. Ugh. And look at this pretty one too. And of course in the back, more die, you know, cut aparts. Ugh. It's gonna be really hard to cut. So anyway, this collection is from last year, so yeah, I might have to just pick up another one. So anyway, that is Bewitched. Oh, let me show you the stickers. Like I said, I got 2 of them, so I did grab another set. And this is the one that comes with the collection, but look at all the elements. I mean, I guess maybe you don't really need die cuts since you have a bunch of stickers. See? But I could have used some more witches. There's only 2 in this collection. There's the other one. But really, really fun, aren't they? And not spooky at all. It's kind of that in between, you know. You have, you know, you have the scary looking skulls and the scary looking cat, but then the other stuff is cute. So it's kind of that in between for me. So anyway, that is what I wanted to share today. I hope you guys have a great weekend. I'll talk to you later.